So we have seen Oracle stocks skyrocket due to its economic outlook and projection, and the latest contract with OpenAI. All these have contributed to the rise in the structure of the market. There is nothing the market does without notification. So a lot of people think that Oracle stock just opened bullish. It didn't open bullish for no reason. There is already a structure giving you a clue on a potential surge after we have seen. Let me put everything into perspective because I'm very much aware of price movement. It never does anything without notification. There will always be notification. We have here as RT slash RS roof in 2020. Came back here. If you look at your normal chart and we came here again, we came here on double top, we came again before breaking the structure. After breaking it, RT slash SR, and price returned again the second time, and fundamental data have taken price off. On technical, here remains a supply roof, so don't know how long the market is gonna hold. The market never does anything without notification, and this is what tells you that this structure is actually correct. This doesn't happen all the time. There are times that when we gauge the market, we have series of W structure starting from 2023. These are all bullish price action indicating strong buys, giving you a clue until we broke out. And that breakout can also be found on the structure of the market. Is always correct, always, always. So most times I use a current, the closest price action, break and retest. ROS resistance becomes support on break of structure, RTSR, and you have seen a return into that structure and price went back. Very simple as that. So in fact, the whole rally started from March. So if you are a good trader who understands the structure of market, I always say that the structure of the market is the motion of traders. Everything traders are doing, how they think, all their perspective is in the chart. So it depends on how you look at it, on what time frame are you making your judgment. Because whatever judgment you are making that does not align with market price movements, of course you're going to lose out. So I think the market is overextended, has no structure, and honestly, the worst that can happen is a return into the structure. You look for, I don't think that's going to be possible, but if you get a pullback, you may have to continue buying. To get a pullback here, you may want to buy. And it might not come back exactly like we think due to, I think, market in a regular fashion might decide to come in into the structure, pick liquidity, close above here, and continue going. This is what we have for Oracle. It's ascending trend line.